Are you still on the fence about the power of multifamily investing? Think again. Today we're putting multifamily head to head with stock market and single family houses to see who comes out on top. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, dedicated resource to everything multifamily. Let's kick this off by comparing multifamily real estate to one of the most powerful investments, the stock market. Before I found multifamily real estate, I was active in the stock market, and my experience wasn't what I hoped for. I put my money in, but when it came down to it, I never really made any money. It was frustrating and frankly, a bit disheartening. That's why right now you won't find me owning a single stock. Now, stocks do have their advantages. They're often highly liquid, meaning it's easy to buy and sell them quickly. You can also achieve quick diversification by buying into different companies and industries with relative ease. And sometimes you can see potentially higher short-term gains if you pick the right ones. However, stocks also come with significant downsides. They're notorious for their volatility, meaning the value can swing wildly day to day based on market news, company performance, global events, and also can be manipulated by the big players in the market. As a stock investor, you also have severe lack of control. You're just a shareholder, no decision maker in the company. You don't own a tangible asset that you can see or touch. And you don't typically get passive income, which you can benefit from significant tax advantages. This is where multifamily real estate shines. With multifamily, you own a tangible asset, a physical building that provides housing, something people always need. And the general partners have direct control over the investment, how it's managed, what kind of improvements they can make to the property, and how they market it. It also generates consistent cash flow from rents, which typically rise with the cost of living. And another huge advantage is leverage. If you think about it like this, initial investment of $100,000 in stocks, you get $100,000 in stocks. But with the same $100,000 down payment in multifamily, you can potentially buy $600,000 of property or even more. Let's look at the numbers. Entering the stock market with $100,000 after 20 years at the average of 8.5% interest rate will grow your future value to around $511,000. That means a total gain of $411,000. Now let's take that same $100,000 and put it into multifamily investing, which the average interest rate is 16%. The future value in this scenario climbs to a staggering $1.9 million. That's a total gains of $1.8 million in multifamily. This is the power of multifamily when it comes to long-term wealth creation. Next, let's look at how multifamily compares to its next closest competitor, single-family housing. Many people start here because single-family homes represent an easier point of entry into real estate. And there's a perceived simplicity to owning just one house. However, single-family homes come with some significant scalability issues. It's hard to grow a large investment portfolio one house at a time. Another major drawback is impact in tenant turnover. If you own one single-family home and your tenant moves out, you immediately have 100% vacancy for that property. That means 100% of your rental income for that asset is gone until you find a new tenant. It can also be very management intensive for a single unit. You're still doing all the landlord tasks, but just one income stream. Multifamily investing solves all those problems. Most obvious is scalability. You buy one asset, you get multiple units. This makes it far easier to grow a large portfolio efficiently. Multifamily offers critical risk mitigation. If one tenant leaves, you still have income from the other units. For example, if you have a 20-unit building and one unit becomes vacant, that's only 5% vacancy rate. You're still collecting 19 other rents. This also makes it much easier to justify and afford a professional property manager for the multifamily units, taking the day-to-day burden off your shoulders. So finally, why are scalability and stability so critical for investment journeys? Scalability allows for much faster wealth accumulation and portfolio growth. Instead of slowly adding one house at a time, you can acquire dozens or even hundreds of units in a single transaction, significantly accelerating your path to financial freedom. Stability leads to more consistent returns. This means your investment can perform reliably, even during economic downturns, providing you with a peace of mind and a predictable path to wealth. Ready to take the next steps and learn how to invest in multifamily opportunities? For a personalized guide or to explore how multifamily can work for you, visit us directly at aiventuresllc.com. Let's build a multifamily portfolio together. And in our next video, we're going to define key metrics like cap rates and cash-on-cash returns. You won't want to miss it. So be sure to like, subscribe, and then hit that notification bell for updates. Thanks for listening.